Hi, my name is Tony Denson. I'm one of the Pixel Scout Army, and I wanted to share with you a quick way to get the reports done by going a different way on attacking the information. First thing you want to do is go ahead and get the searches done. Let's do Adventure Guide and in Cody, Wyoming. And then I set this up to go to 60 like that, and then I do the search. Now I already have this one done here. Okay, so I'll leave this alone. But now that we've got that done, we got the searches done, and then you can go and look at these and see the different ones that have the emails, ones that have the pixels on them, ones that do not. And then you can go in here and find them on the emails. So we'll go through this one. This is the old way to do it. Come on. So it's got a phone number here, but it doesn't look like it's got an email. It's got a contact page and a Facebook, and you could probably find that, but there's a better way to do this. The way to do that is you leave that site alone and you go up here to export. So we're going to export these. Part of this is grayed out because these along right here are some of my other searches. But you're going to export these. Do the export. And it's going to give you an opportunity to save this. And then you can save it. You can make it any number, any name you want to. I already made it a name up here for Adventure Guide here. So I'm not going to save it this time. But then what we'll do is we'll go to that one and look at that. And see, it says Adventure Guide and it just says File. That's how it saves, and it says text or CSV. But it's not going to open this way. So you open this to rename it. And you put .csv. And then it will open. And then it shows you all of these here. Now I gotta widen these out so that we can see all of this information real quick. Here's the Facebook pixel, all right here, and then here's the emails. So a bunch of these have emails. So here's what happens is, we've got this going here. Now what we're going to do is take this title part here. We're going to copy this. And then we're going to go back to here, and we're going to go to the reports. And on the reports we're going to go here, and then we're going to go select this, and it's Adventure Guide there, Green River, but we're in the other one, so we're going to paste what we put there, and it shows this one here. This is the one we want. So we're going to click this one. That puts that in there. It also puts the email in there. And then we're going to also paste the name here. And then we're going to go down. You want to make sure that one of these is ticked. 1, 2, or 3. One of these has got to be ticked. So I'm using Gmail. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to use this template here that I made. Okay, so that's in place. Now we copy and pasted there. We still got that on copy and paste. So I just do I copy and paste here with the same thing that I already had in place. So that's there. And then I'm going to highlight report here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the short codes are available, and it says report here, but I don't go there first. Let me highlight this again. Then I'm going to do preview report. That's going to go to a new page, and it says here Wyoming Adventure Big River Fly Fishing Guide. So that's there. Now all I have to do, don't worry about positioning, just double click over this number right here. That's all it's going to take is the number after the equal and before the ampersand. That's the ID on there. Then we're going to go back here. Now we're going to use a short code, and it's in this part here that's highlighted. I'm going to choose short code. I'm going to choose this report URL, insert, and then I'm going to edit this right here. I'm going to make this the text to display. I still want it to say report. So say report, and then put a space behind it because you're going to need a space for the next word after. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to take that off. Now take off all of this back to the backslash, Control V. That's not what I wanted, so we're going to take this off. And we're going to insert this for right now, and then going to go back and get this code again. This code right here. Copy this. Go back and edit this. I double clicked it to get it there, okay? Edit this. Got the backsplash. Now I'm going to Control V. And that puts the number in there, and that's in place. Then in my particular email here, and you're welcome to copy this and use it however you want to, but in my email I said, as a point of integrity, this program is highly effective. We will work with only one contractor in this city. So we were in Green River. Now, I'm going to make sure that I've got this actually in Green River. So I'm going to go back to here, the one that we highlighted there. And actually, this one here says it's in Thermopolis. Okay? So I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to put Thermopolis here. And then I'm going to put Thermopolis here. And then Adventure Guide, where I had put service in caps. Okay, so now all of that is done. And then I come down here. And I save the current report, and it shows that it's there. And it's ready to go, and all I have to do now is send it. I timed this when I wasn't making mistakes and I was in a rhythm. I can get this done in 2.5 minutes once I have all of this information. But to highlight what's going on is, instead of going to here And this is in Green River. There's Thermopolis there. So we'll go down and look at all of these. There's that Bighorn River fishing. So all of this is here, and you can go through here and find it, but it just takes more time to get the contact details and copy it and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so what you can do is, like I showed you, is you can get these exported. I'm sorry, we'll get these exported here. Close this. We'll do this export and then choose these three and then choose the export. And it's going to let you export it. You can put the name, and then we already changed this. Remember to, when you do this, it needs to change it to .csv, comma separated value. And then from there, you can go over to get the adventure guide. And then we highlighted this for the business and went through the report and did all of the work. That's a faster way to do it. You can knock these out because you know which ones have the emails right here. Okay? Thank you very much.